Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I absolutely love the R8. One thing that is outdated on it is the infotainment and multimedia interface system. So we are replacing it today with this one. I don't know exactly what the brand is because Troy just gave it to me secondhand. If I do find that information, I'll put it on the screen. However, we're just gonna go willy-nilly. I assume all the pieces are here that we need, and I am gonna attempt this myself. This isn't my forte. I think stuff like this, more on the medium smart side. Electrical, wiring, plumbing, that's kind of where I draw the line for like the home ownership stuff. So with the car, hey, we're winging it. I do have the tools necessary to remove the old one. So that I at least know how to do. Let's get started with that. So luckily I was given this tool set with the kit from Mr. Troy because he just did this install on his. So basically you put each one of these in the corners here. Click. Maybe. Click. Click, click, and then you got to pull out all at once. So I got to put the camera down here. Hopefully you can see. I can't see what you guys see, so hopefully it's good. Make some room here. All right. Now what? All right, I'm going to take some pictures of how things are plugged in, because I don't want to screw anything up. Yep, that's the plan. So I'm mostly making this for my reference, just to see where things are plugged in. Hopefully I won't need to reference it too many times, but I may, so better be safe than sorry. All right, this one only took me a few minutes to figure out where all the clips and releases were, but we got the old head unit out, and now it's gonna be the fun part, and I think more time consuming is where to fit everything and how to route it and getting it set up. So that's gonna be step numero dos here. All right, it was really easy to just plug everything back in kind of where it looked like it came from for the new head unit. So before we actually put it back, I'm gonna see if things work and if things catch on fire. Oh, we got power. All right. Well, the power's on, which is awesome. I'm going to see if I can connect it. So since I'm using my phone to record, I'll be right back. No way it was this easy. Like, there's no possible way. It's working. That's it. Like, I'm just, sorry, I'm going nuts on it. I got the door open. Oh my God, it's stuck on my freaking watch. This is overstimulating. Okay, so this is on CarPlay, which is the T-Link in this. So if you hit the menu, it's just under, where'd it go? T-Link, that's CarPlay, reverse camera. I need to make sure is connected properly. So let me try that. I'm gonna put it in reverse. I need to start the car. Yep, let's do that. Please, 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 please. Okay. So that we're gonna have to fix. No video signal. All right. All right. First snag in the problem. Okay, just keep you guys updated with what I'm doing for the rear issue. Not really a big issue, but popped this trim, and then behind here this is connected. It was kind of a pain. I could not at all get lighting back there, but I just kind of felt for it. Grabbed this. So what I'm going to try is plugging that directly into here and see if we get a signal. Okay, so right now I have it plugged in to the rear. Got no issues thus far. Let's see if this works. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Where are we missing? I'm plugged right into it. Touched one of the wires to ground upon installation. And I blew the fuse for the radio. So off to, I guess, any store that has these to get a new one. It's a 20 amp fuse. We're on kind of a 1 step forward, 2 steps back situation at the moment. So, yeah. At least the car looks good. Guys, today is like a joke. I go to O'Reilly's, their power's out. Like, I walk in, and like they have a power door that like detects you coming, like an automatic door. And I just like push it open and the whole store's black. Like they got no lights. I'm like, are they open? Their power's out. I think me blowing my fuse just interrupted the whole power grid. This is ridiculous. There's an AutoZone a mile away, so I'm gonna go try that. All right, guys, editor Kevin here to interrupt the video because we were missing a piece, as I kind of led to earlier in the video. We were missing this number 11 here. So everything else was included and it was fine, except for this male piece on the RCA video. So what we needed is this to plug into the back of that behind my seat, and then this to be plugged in to the actual unit that goes behind the dash. So this piece was missing from the kit. Nobody's fault, because it was just a hand-me-down kit that didn't include it. But I was looking at this diagram and I was like, this looks important. The camera in connector did not have anything in it. So I ordered this one off a website, picked it up, plugged it in, and it worked just fine. But you'll see the unit out of the car because I had to redo it because I wanted my backup camera until that cable arrived. So this is a difference of like 5 days. So this took about 5 or 6 days to get here, but it is finally here. So attempt number 2 at the install. I got this off the internet. Looks like it was the piece that was missing. So hopefully this solves our problem with the backup camera. We got it, ladies and gents. The CarPlay is installed. So the thing was, I had to grab that extra cord and plug it in to the unit behind here. So I know I filmed it, that plugged in there, and then the yellow camera in also needed to be connected. And let me show you, we got a backup camera. It's annoying, but it works. That's just the Audi sensor thing. The actual CarPlay dealio works just fine. The T-Link is your CarPlay, and then if you're connected to the Wi-Fi right now, which I am, you can watch YouTube. It's hilarious. You can do a lot of stuff on this. A lot of customization, a lot of controls as far as like the audio. So you can set it to your liking. I don't know. I don't want to mess with this. I gotta tune the audio a bit here to get to my liking because it is a little different. It's definitely like I maxed it out on 30. And it was just a little quieter than the stock one. So it's probably less powerful. Probably less wattage if I had to guess, but I'll take the trade because we have CarPlay and it connects every time, which is really nice. So connected it with the Waze this morning on the way to Cars and Coffee. That was really nice. Probably not dox myself, but it's cool. I wonder if I can watch games. Can I watch baseball? There's no way, right? Will it let me watch it? I gotta come back at 3 o'clock and find out. But the CarPlay unit is installed, which is so good. It's carbon fiber. Obviously the lights are off in here, so it might be tough to see, but it's working. Looks good and is much more functional than the stock Audi unit. So if you guys are planning on upgrading the head unit in your R8 or older Audi, do it, man. I don't even know the brand for this. I'm gonna find it, link it in the description, and call it good. Like I said, this is a hand-me-down unit from my buddy who just got his R8. He said it came with his car, sold it to me for pretty cheap, and I was like, let's do it. If it sucks, we'll throw the other unit back in. But so far, so good, man. It's great. 10 out of 10. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit subscribe. Gained a ton of new subscribers recently because some shorts have been popping off. So if you're new to the channel, I appreciate you very much. Hit the like button for the algorithm. Till the next video, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. We'll see ya.